do the question number 17a. Okay, the question is find all solution exactly on the interval 0 less than or equal to theta less than or equal to 5 for tan theta plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, find the value of theta. That is the question. So how we will find out the value of theta? Tan theta is equal to plus 1. We can take this side, that is minus 1. But we can find out theta, that is tan inverse. It is easily we can find out. But you will get answer. We need the answer in the interval 0 less than or equal to theta less than or equal to pi. In between 0 and 180 degree we need the interval. That is our interval. That means the angle should be given it as 3 pi by 4 or 135 degree. Use calculator, you will get the answer. Okay, then 17b, that is solve the triangle. Solve the triangle A B C. Angle A is equal to 50 degree, angle C is equal to 30 degree, then small c is equal to 5 centimeter. This is given in the question. So we need to find out the other angle and other sides. So for angle B we need to find out, small a we need to find out, and small b also we need to find out. First we can find out angle B. But that is, we know angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. But that is angle B is equal to, we can find out 180 minus 50 plus 30. Like this we can find out. Okay. But the answer is equal to 100 degree. Angle B is equal to 100 degree. Next we need to find out sides A and B. Here we use law of sines. The first formula you have to write. The formula is A by sin A is equal to B by sin B is equal to C by sin C. This is the formula. And what they are given in the question, substitute here. A we don't know, but write A. Capital A we know 50. And small b we don't know, but capital B we already got the answer 100. Small c given in the question 5 divided by capital C already given in the question, that is capital C is equal to 30. Okay. After that combine any two equations, any two terms, we will get the answer. Any two terms combined, you will get the answer. In your own way you can combine. If you combine these two, first means like this combine, but you will get B is equal to, we can find out the answer, 5 into sine 100 divided by sine 30. Okay, use calculator, find out the answer. That is, answer is equal to 9.85 centimeter. 9.85 centimeter. Okay. After that you can combine first one, A by sin 50 is equal to the last one, 5 by sin 30. If you combine these two, you will get the value of A. That is how we can find out A. If A is equal to, we can write it as A is equal to 5 into sin 50 divided by sin 30. But that means you will get a, use calculator, find out the answer, that is 7.66 centimeter. Now we finished the side A we need to find for. Side A we already found the answer. Side B found the answer. Angle B also you got the answer. But this is solve the triangle. Solve the triangle means find out missing angles and missing sides. Okay. And then next question 18A. 18A. In triangle ABC. Okay, given that angle C given in the question 30 degree. Okay, and small a given in the question, that is 7 centimeter, 7 centimeter, and a small b given in the question, that is 12 centimeter. The question is find side C, find C, that is our question. Find small c, only small c find out, no need to find out all, only small c find out. This is our question. Here we can use law of cosine, because side we need to find out, we can use law of cosine. Formula c square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2 times ab cos c. So only one angle given here, so we can use law of cosine. A square means 7 square, b square means 12 square, 2 times 7 times 12 cos c, 30 degree. Okay, and use calculator and find out the answer. The last answer you will get is 47.51. This is c square. So c is equal to root of 47.51. So you will get the answer is equal to 6.89 centimeter. 6.89 centimeter. So this is the method to find out small side C, because only one angle given, for mostly we can use cosine law, so we will get to easily answer. Okay, now 18b. 18b. A bag contains 8 red and 4 black balls. 8 red and 4 black balls. Okay, 2 balls are drawn. 2 balls are drawn at random. 2 balls are drawn at random. What is the probability? What is the probability? What is the probability that both balls are red? Both balls are red. This is the question. Okay, a bag is there, and that bag contains 8 red, 4 black balls. So total 12 balls are there. 2 balls we are drawn at random. What is the probability that both balls are red? That is the question. Actually, how we will find out the probability of both balls red? Both balls red. That is our question. So how we will find out this one? We will take 2 red balls from 8 red balls. Understand? Total 8 red balls. So the upper part, that is a numerator. How we can write numerator? You know, we will find out 8 from the 8 balls. We will take 2 balls. How we will write that condition? Total 8 red balls are there. From that 8 red balls, we will take only 2 balls. Understand? That means we will get only red balls, because we are taking from 8 red balls 2 balls. Okay, that is numerator part. Denominator part means total balls we can take. From the total balls we are taking 2 balls. Total means total here 8 red, 4 black. But total balls 12. But 12, from 12 balls we will take 2 balls. Understand? From 12 balls we will take 2 balls. That is 12 C2 in the down. Then use calculator, find out the answer. 8 C2 means answer 28. And 12 C2 means answer 66. But the total answer you will get 0.42. Like this we can find out the answer. This is the method to find out the combination type of questions. Okay, all of you understand, no? Thank you all of you. Thank you. Hi students, today we are going to study 2 questions, that is question number 17a. Okay, question number 17a. The question is solve the equation exactly. Solve the equation exactly. 2 cos theta is equal to root 2 theta should be lies between 0 less than or equal to theta less than 2 pi. Okay, this is the question. How we will solve this question? Okay, but the question is 2 cos theta is equal to root 2. We need to find out the angle theta values. Okay, the first step, cos theta 2 we can take right side, but we can divide both side by 2, root 2 divided by 2. Okay, that is root 2 divided by 2. Then we will find out next step theta. How we can find out theta? Theta we can write it as cos inverse of root 2 divided by 2. Okay, like this we will find out theta value. But theta is equal to, how we will get the theta answer? Theta is equal to, use calculator and find out the answer. We will get a theta answer is equal to pi divided by 4. Theta we will get pi by 4. But remember students, cosine is positive. Cosine value should be positive. In which quadrants you know? First quadrant and fourth quadrant. Okay, first quadrant and fourth quadrant cosine positive. But that means theta is equal to pi by 4, answer correct. And one more answer we will get, that is theta is equal to 2 pi minus, because fourth quadrant also correct, 2 pi minus pi by 4. That means answer is equal to 7 pi by 4. Understand? So we will get two theta values in between the interval 0 to 2 pi. That is, one is pi by 4. Therefore, theta is equal to two values. So one is pi by 4 and another one is 7 pi by 4 in the interval 0 to pi. Okay, this is the interval. In the interval 0 to pi, we will get two answers, two angle values. So one is pi by 4 and another one is 7 pi by 4. But remind students, remind cosine is positive in two quadrants. One is first quadrant, another one is fourth quadrant. Okay, therefore we will get two angles. One is pi by 4 and another one is 2 pi by 4. Okay, then number 2, question number 2. That is 17, question number 17, B part. Question number 17, B part. The question is, solve the triangle. Solve the triangle given that angle A is equal to 70 degree and angle C is equal to 42 degree and side B, small b means side, B is equal to 22 feet. Okay, these things they are given in the question and they are asking solve the triangle. So solve the triangle means we need to find out other angles and other sides. So what are the other angles? We need to find out angle B. Okay, angle B we need to find out, and small a, side A we need to find out, and side C also we need to find out. These three things we need to find out. Only here given angle A, angle C and small b. Okay, so first we can find out angle B because two angles given. So how we can find out angle B? You know, the total angle of the triangle. That means angle A plus angle B plus angle C, that we know how much degree, 180 degree. That is understood. Triangle total angle is 180 degree. So we can find out angle B. Angle B, how we can find out? Angle B is equal to 180 minus angle A plus C, that is 70 plus 42. Okay, 70 plus 42. But we will get the answer is, use calculator and find out the answer. But the answer is equal to, we will get 68 degree. Use calculator and find out angle. Okay, angle B is equal to 68 degree. The next step we will find out the sides A and C. How we will find out side A and C? Using sine law, law of sines. Okay, using law of sines. Law of sines means, what is the law of sine formula? Law of sine means A divided by sine A is equal to B divided by sine B is equal to C divided by sine C. This is known as law of sines. Okay, what we know that we have to substitute here. Actually, we know a capital A we know, small a we don't know. So we will write A divided by sine 70. Capital A we know, and small b we know. Small b already given in the question 22 divided by sine capital B also we know 68. And small c we don't know, so write small c divided by sine capital C means 42 degree. The capital A, capital B, capital C means angles. Small a, small b, small c means that is side of the triangle. Okay. Next, two terms we can combine and we will find out the side A and side C. Okay. First we need to combine these two. First two conditions, that is A by sine 70 is equal to 22 divided by sine 68. These two we can combine. Okay. How we will find out A from here? Just like this, cross multiplication and find out A value. Okay. But how we will write A? How we can find out A? A is equal to, how we can find out A? A is equal to 22 divide in multiply sine 70 divided by sine 68. Like this we will get it. Okay. Using calculator find out the answer. Use calculator and find out the answer. So 22 multiply sine 70. The sine 70, if you use calculator, you will get sine 70. The sine 70 is equal to how much is the answer? That answer you write here. Okay, 0.9396. Like that you will get answer. For that right answer, sine 68. For sine 68 means what is the answer? That answer you write here, 0.92718. After that, use calculator, find out the total answer. The answer is equal to, A is equal to, approximately we can write 22.3 feet. Okay, 22.3 feet. This is small a. This is approximately equal. Okay, but that is like this we will calculate small a. In the same method we will calculate small c also. Okay, small c means we know, small c means the same this rule we will use, that is the last two conditions we can use here. Last two conditions, 22 divided by sine 68 is equal to c divided by sine 42. Okay, in the same way cross multiply we will get how we can write the small c is equal to, how we can write small c, 22 multiply sine 42 divided by sine 68. Okay, the use calculator find out the angle. That means 22 multiply sine 42. For sine 42 means you will get answer 0.6691 divided by sine 68. Sine 68 means you will get answer 0.9272. Then use calculator, find out the last answer. But the last answer approximately equal to, we can write 15.9 feet. 15.9 feet. This is small c. Okay, but how to find out? Solve the triangle means we need to find out all the sides, all the angles. But maybe some sides they will give in the question. Other sides, other angles we need to find out. The important result, total angle of the triangle is 180 degree, and the formula law of sines also remember. Then we can find out sides, angles and all. Okay. Then next question 18. Question number 18. Question number 18. Question number 18a. Okay. Question number 18a. The question is in the same way solve triangle. Solve triangle. Solve triangle given that angle A is equal to 87 degree. Angle A, sorry, not angle A, sorry students, not angle A, angle C. Okay, angle C is equal to 87 degree. 87 degree, and a small a given, that is 12 centimeter. and small b given, that is 9 centimeter. Okay, this is given in the question. Solve the triangle. For this question you see only one angle given. Other two angles we need to find out. We need to find out which angles we need to find out. We need to find out angle A, we need to find out, and angle B we need to find out, and small c also we need to find out. Okay, side A, B given, small c not given. These three things we have to find out. Okay, here we need to, here sine law first we cannot use because that side's fully not given, the angles only one given, we cannot use sine law here. But that time we are using law of cosine. Here we are using law of cosine. Law of cosine we are using here. Law of cosines. Law of cosines means here we need to find out small c. Now small c, angle c we can find out first. The formula is c square is equal to, if we will get to that side c, then we can find out angle cc. Okay, using sine law. C square is equal to, the formula is a square plus b square minus 2 times ab cos c. This is the formula. Okay, then what they are given, substitute here. A given in the question, a is equal to 12, 12 power 2. B given in the question, that is 9, 9 power 2. 2 times 12 times 9. Then cos c given in the question, 87 degree. 87 degree. And use calculator, find out the answer. What is the answer? Check with the calculator. Okay, 12 square plus 9 square minus 2 into, everything you calculator, use calculator and find out. 12 square means 144, 9 square means 81. This 2 into 12 into 9 into 12 into 9 into then one is cos 2 into 12 into 9 into then cos 87. Okay, the final answer is equal to, write the final answer, that is 11.3047. Okay, and find out the total answer, that is 144 plus, use calculator, 89 minus 11.3047. What is the answer? For c square is equal to, use calculator, 221.6953. Okay, like this you will get answer. 221.6953. But then that means you will get c is equal to, you will get the answer is equal to root of, okay, root of 221.6953. You will get the answer is equal to 14 point, 14 point, you will get answer is equal to 14.62. This is approximately equal to 14.8. 14.8. Okay, then next step you will find out angles. Two angles we need. Now any one angle first you find out using law of cosine, law of sine, law of, now we can use law of sine easily. Any two ratios, we need angle B. Now we can take sine B divided by sine B divided by, that is we can write it as B divided by sine B is equal to C divided by sine C. What is the given conditions? Substitute here. B means 9. For 9 divided by sine capital B. B we don't know. C, small c, small c. What is the answer? That answer you write here. Small c, now we got the answer 14.8 divided by sine capital C. Capital C given in the question 87 degree. Okay, then cross multiplication and find out the the answer. Okay, that is how we can find out sine B. Sine B is equal to 9 multiply sine 87 degree divided by 14.8. Okay, first find out that value. 9 multiply sine 87. 9 multiply sine 87, you will get 8 point, this is you will get 8.9877 divided by 14.8. What is the answer? Check the answer. That is sine B is equal to, use calculator and find out the answer, 14.8. Divide that to, you will get 0.6073, like this you will get. So B you can find out using inverse, sine inverse 0.6073. Sine inverse 0.6073. Check the answer. Sine inverse 0.6073. What is the answer? Check. You will get the answer is equal to 37.4. Like this you will get. Okay, this is angle B. Now two angles are there, angle B and angle C. So now we can find out angle A using this property. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Okay, but that is angle A is equal to 180 minus 37.4 plus 87. So you will get this angle. But 37.4 plus 87, then minus 180. So how much is the answer? 55.6. This is the angle A. This is angle A. This is the meaning of solve the triangle. Okay, this is the meaning of solve the triangle. Solve the triangle, we are using two laws. One is law of cosine, one is law of sine. Okay, and one more property remember, that is angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Okay, then question number 18. Question number